Hi everyone! I'm really excited today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I was away for the 4th of July and I had a few packages that were delivered, so I've been really excited to get back home so I can finally open these up. I have a package from Paper Penguin Co. on Etsy, and these are like notebook paper inserts for traveler's notebooks. And I have my very first ever order from the Leather Quill Shoppe, so I'm really excited about that. And of course, I have an order from Chic Sparrow, and it's in this huge box because I went a little bit crazy. But let's go ahead and let's do the paper inserts first because they won't be as exciting as leather, even though they're beautiful. And Dominique has such cute branding, her little penguin. All right, let's see. And I did order, how many did I order? Yeah, I ordered 4. I ordered 4 inserts. That. And these are for my standard or narrow size traveler's notebooks. And this is specifically for my writing journal. And I have these 4, and they're really plain. I just got them with black covers, and they're just dot grid inserts, but all of them are Tomoe River paper, and I'm really excited to be switching over all of my writing inserts into these. So let's see. Oh, they're amazing. Yeah, so these are perfect. They feel amazing, and they have a really nice dot grid on there. Those are awesome. All right, so I will be putting these in my traveler's notebook very soon. And I do have, I can't remember exactly, hold on a second. Okay, so 3 of these have 80 pages. So these 3 on the end. And then this one has 160 pages. So this is the one I'm going to be using for my daily journal because I tend to fill these up really quickly. So I'm excited about that. All right, so Paper Penguin Co., always impeccable work. She makes these so amazingly, and I've tried to make paper inserts on my own and they have not gone great at all. So I was really happy to order from her again and know that I was going to get some really quality inserts. All right, so the next one is from the Leather Quill Shoppe, and this is actually it's a pocket-sized traveler's notebook, and they have a quick ship section. So they take a picture of the actual product that they're going to send to you, and they ship it within 24 to 48 hours, which is super great because you don't have to wait, weeks for your item, and you know exactly what you're going to get, because usually it can be a surprise, especially with leather, just because you never know exactly what kind of texture or markings or color variation you're going to get. So the Leather Quill Shoppe, there's their business card, and here it is. And this is the buffalo leather, and I'm just looking at the little invoice, and oh, they stuck a little charm in. It's the Eiffel Tower. How cute. So they put that in there for free. And here it is, and I use pocket size for my my wallet. So I will be moving into this right away. Oh my gosh. Wow. this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all that texture. Look at those marks. Oh, there's these huge divots in it. And of course, oh my gosh. This, oh my goodness, this is the type of leather that I obviously just go crazy over. The Leather Quill Shoppe. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So obviously I did see this online because like I said, their quick ship section has a photo of the exact item you'll be getting, but you know, I don't know. I've never ordered from them before, so you just never quite know. It didn't come with any pockets or anything. And this is the first time I've ordered a notebook that didn't have pockets on the inside. So this is kind of a new thing for me too, that I wanted to try. But with my, good Lord, this is just so beautiful, and it's so soft and squishy, and like the texture just feels amazing. Like these lines are just so deep. And look at that. It's just so rustic. Oh my goodness. I can't even remember what I was talking about. But yeah, so 4 strands and then the closure elastic. Oh yeah, so I was saying I don't usually get notebooks without pockets inside, but for my wallet, I don't really use inside pockets, so I thought this would just be perfect to try out. And I will absolutely be moving into this immediately. I am so happy with this so far. And it said that this was the buffalo leather, but I think they have like 2 or 3 different kinds that were listed on the website. It was a little bit difficult for me to kind of find descriptions of each thing, but in the listing for this, it specifically said it was very pliable, and it wasn't like waxed or something like that. But this is awesome. Like this is a little bit thicker over here, and this is really floppy over here. It feels thinner. I am so thrilled with this, and I will be watching their website, because if anything else comes up like this, I am going to grab it, especially if it's in a narrow size or a standard size. That would be just perfection. Okay. All right. We need to move on from this. All right. Chic Sparrow. Yay. So this is a hand tooled from Chic Sparrow. This is the narrow size or standard size. And this is the first hand tool that I ever got. And this one in particular has slip pockets on the inside. And I always keep 3 narrow notebooks going at all times. I usually keep a writing journal, an art journal, and a homeschooling planner tracker kind of thing. So I wanted to finish out this trio. So I wanted 2 other hand tools to kind of go with this so that I could use them all. Which is like such a silly thought, but you know, that's what it is. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here's their new packaging. It's so adorable. This paper is new, and their new little yellow sparrow sticker. I love that. Oh, and it's full of notebooks. Okay. That is so adorable. Okay, so I've got 3 notebooks here. And well, I'll go ahead and open this one. This is another weekly calendar cover. And I have been wanting to get this for such a long time. And let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it feels great. Oh my goodness. So this is the creme leather in the color golden brown. And it is a weekly calendar cover. And I got it inscribed with Mischief Managed. And this is not my original idea. I actually saw this leather with this inscription in one of the Chic Sparrow Facebook groups, and I absolutely loved it. I was just scrolling through and I saw it, and I just stopped and I said, "Oh my gosh, I absolutely have to get that at some point." And you know, today's the day. So I have it, and I just thought it's so appropriate because I use these for planning in my Hobonichi weeks. So I just needed it. And then I loved that this was the creme brulee color, because it just kind of has that old feel, you know, like old leather books. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Marauders map, and I just thought everything went together so well. And so I definitely had to get one of my own. And this is awesome. And I can smell it from here. Creme leather has the best smell. Oh, I am so excited for this. So I'll be moving into this right away as well. Anytime I get new notebooks, I have to get in them like immediately. So there's that. I'm very, very happy with this. And this creme, it has some color variation in it too. That is so pretty. I love that. I'm just now really noticing all the light and dark spots in it. That is awesome. I'm very, very happy with that. As usual, even if I don't completely fall in love with a notebook that Chic Sparrow makes, the quality and the construction are always so impeccable that I can always still appreciate the notebook, and then it always eventually grows on me. I haven't actually sold any notebooks that I have, and I don't have any plans to. I know some people like to make room for the newest thing coming out, but I can't let any of mine go. But I do cycle through everything. And I mean, sometimes, you know, every week I'll be in a different cover. You know, I'll just take out everything inside and just put it in something new that I feel like using. So that is, I love it. So this is an instant love for me. Okay, so these two are the narrow hand tools that will go with this and complete my trio. And I'm wondering about the coloring on these. I kind of asked for darker, a little bit darker. Oh, this is so cute. I love this so much more than I thought I would. Look at the little mouse. Oh, this is adorable. And this one, and maybe this one, on the website, there were a couple of photos of it, and it had slightly different finishes. Like some were really, really light, and some were stained a little bit darker. So I asked for the darker one, if that was at all possible. But I'm so happy with this. These are so cute. That is adorable. And then this has slip pockets inside too. I love, love, love these slip pockets so much. It is so easy to just put like a field notes notebook in there, because I love to use the field notes. Okay, so this is the next one. And it should be the fox, and I got it with white stitching. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, and look, they're all like slightly different colors. Oh my God, I love that even more. Oh, I'm very, very happy with this. I did get this with white stitching so it could match all of them, but this is a classic, so it doesn't have any pockets inside. And so I guess this is the second classic I've ever gotten, because I just got that pocket from the Leather Quill Shoppe. And oh my gosh, I absolutely love everything that I got. And this trio, I'm going to move into it right after this video. And I will also be moving into that and that. And the pocket is my wallet, and the weekly calendar cover is my planner. And so these are my everyday carries, and I take them out of the house with me everywhere I go. So this will be my new pair for the foreseeable future until I feel like changing it. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!